Epicflows Production.
But a long time we did together now, no babes. I remember we just met, you know. 2 hours we met at high school. We did together through high school. We did together through university. Now look how we now. 2 hours there at work and love you, no babes.
Aww, I love you too, babes.
Hey, remember when me used to, young in the army, and my cousin they used to go on our bridge, down our ball field, so we catch Jangan fish and something there. And the nicest time that, you know, hey, you see how we don't catch a fish there, we put them in one buckle, and we go up the road up a Keisha yard. And me used to, cause he used to make me stay out the door and watch the fish them, that's then I walk away, you see me? And him go inside with Keisha. We say, be young and fool them time there, you know, cause if you watch fish and make fish no walk away, fish can't walk away. Yeah, but a couple of years after that, me I find out, say, yo, sex me cause he go in my room, go with Keisha, you know, and me do outside like an idiot, you know. And I see him say, you try to take me for idiot now. Now you this nigga tomorrow put up sound there for 6 years strong. And 7 years with that.
Babes, I Photoshop that.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radekal Epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah. Well, I don't know the niggas.